We have two different style of trims, one with a round cartridge cover and one with a non-round cartridge cover. For this installation, we're going to do round. Trimming out the GrohSafe 3.0, we're going to start with removing the two screws that hold the plaster guard in place, and that's just a Phillips head screwdriver. The next step would be to remove the cartridge nut. We'll use the tool for this. And then removing the flush plug, so you should just be able to pull that straight out. When installing the cartridge, start with removing the white sleeve. Grease all the O-rings. And when installing the cartridge, make sure that the up indicator is at the 12 o'clock position. And then the cartridge should slide right in, push into place. Take your cartridge nut, thread it on. And then just snug it up. The next step is to install the sleeve. You'll notice on the bottom of the sleeve there's a little hole which will go down in the 6 o'clock position, and this just simply pushes on. The next step is our back plate. See, there's an arrow straight up at the 12 o'clock position, and that will just push over the sleeve, and that is held in place with two Phillips head screws. And these just need to be snugged up. And then our escutcheon plate, install it so the emblem is straight up, 12 o'clock. And then our handle adapter, and this just threads into the stem of the cartridge. And then our handle. And this will push on so the lever is facing down at the 6 o'clock position. And just tighten up the screw with your Allen wrench. And we're done.